Okay, so the next step in my project is to build the power and the throttle circuit. So from this schematic you can see I have 6 AA batteries in series, which will provide 9 volts to this 8-pin integrated circuit, the 555 timer. It's configured to be an oscillator, but to adjust the duty cycle.
So what is duty cycle? Well, a good example would be a light with a light switch. So for every second, if you would turn on that light for 0.9 seconds and turn it off for 0.1 seconds, that would be a 90% duty cycle, and your light would be very bright. If you would turn on that light for 0.1 seconds and turn it off for 0.9 seconds, that would be a 10% duty cycle, and then your light would be very dim. So the longer it's on per second, the brighter it would be. And the same with a motor, the longer that duty cycle is on, the faster the motor. So pulse width modulation is great if you want your train to move real slow, because it'll always provide maximum voltage to that motor even at a low duty cycle, and that's why it won't stall.